Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. Thank you so much to my online friends. There's your cuddle, okay? Enough of this, okay? Let's get on to this week's video. Get your fufu, your banku, your popcorn and your tea and come back and I'm gonna fill you in, alright love? Alright, so you can see my hair looking nice and full, but actually it's in need of a treatment, and I've decided to do a hot oil treatment. I mean need of a treatment. I mean need. Do you know when it just needs it? So today, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to go through the benefits of a hot oil treatment, because sis, you need it in your life. I'm taking my routine back to basics, okay? And although my hair is actually in a good place, there is still treatment that needs to be had. Let me just show you, okay? I put my hair up because I want you to see what's the worst part of my hair, the oldest part of my hair. And as you can see, my hair looks dry, okay? You can see it there. And this, what I'm pulling, is actually from the crown of my head. That's because the sun is really, I've been caught in the sun a few times and it's taken its toll on my hair. I've also had my hair up like this where the ends are exposed in the sun and it's taken a toll on my hair. So from all the research I've been doing of late, I know that in the summertime where you can really capitalize on helping your hair be stimulated and boosted for extra healthy hair growth. So there are a few things I need to tell you about for the benefits of a hot oil treatment, because these are the reasons why I always go back to a hot oil treatment. When your hair is dry and brittle and it's just not got that luster and not that bounce, hot oil treatments are always a popular choice to spring in your hair back. It is there to help strengthen, nourish and protect your hair strands. Primarily, hot oil treatments are used as a treatment to help seal in the hair cuticle. Lie the hair cuticle flat, smooth it down and just seal in and lock in. Now there are several ways of going to do a hot oil treatment, going to the salon and other ways, but I prefer to do it yourself, your good old DIY. For really nourishing hot oil treatment, it's always best to use plant-based oils. Some of these, but to name a few, olive oil, almond oil or coconut oil, avocado oil are great plant-based oils. Now I know for me, one of the main reasons why I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment is because it's going to increase the strength of my hair. It's definitely going to reduce any dryness of the scalp or my hair strands. Any dandruff, it will bring relief to. It will reduce the frizz that I have up here, and done on a consistent basis, it will reduce split ends. So this is the oil that I'm going to be using. This is the Amaré-Me growth oil. Now you don't need to use the Amaré-Me growth oil for this hot oil treatment, but I would recommend you use oils that are fantastic, really nourishing, plant-based, organic. I'll leave details in the description bar just in case you're interested to see the ingredients list of the Amaré-Me growth oil. However, if you want to use just olive oil, go ahead, Darren, do it. If I was giving you a recommendation of using one particular oil, I would probably choose avocado oil because it's a penetrative oil and it's super nourishing because it has the fatty acids in it and it is so moisturizing. Okay, so right, let's talk about if these hot oil treatments is safe for your hair, because some people don't like putting oil on their scalp. Yeah, you didn't know that? But it's true, some people don't like it. Now, because you're putting plant-based oils on your scalp, it doesn't mean that it's safe for everyone. I mean, it's still possible that some people may have some adverse effects to some of the oils. And that's especially if you have sensitive skin. So one way to reduce the risk of any reactions is to find oils that are not combined with any other synthetic oils. Just stick to plant-based oils, please. 100% natural, okay? Now, if you're unsure, because there's some people, they don't know whether this particular oil, maybe avocado oil is not safe for somebody or they're sensitive towards it, I would always recommend you do a patch test somewhere, maybe down at the nape. Now if it doesn't react within 24 hours or so, then happy days. As if your hair is generally quite greasy already, your scalp produces a lot of that healthy sebum. So using oils like jojoba oil, which is very similar to our own sebum, our own oil that we produce, or almond oil are great choices. Don't worry, these oils also tend to absorb really great into the hair shaft. Another thing to pay attention to is the temperature of the hot oil, okay? It doesn't need to be burning hot. Come on, sis. We got to use our brain. Okay then, just to give you something, I have actually put some of the Amaré-Me growth oil in an applicator bottle that I use often. There was hot water in here, it's quite warm now, and I've just let this sink in. I can definitely tell you that this is nice and warm. That is all you need, girl. You don't need it to be piping hot, okay? So I like to put a hot oil treatment on maybe a couple of days after I've washed my hair, and it doesn't have so much build up, and my hair is a little bit more receptive still to absorb the hot oil treatment. You get it, hey? And then I will pour it all over my hair strands, making sure that I'm feeding my ends with the oil, and I'll work it into every strand in every section. There is enough slip in this oil to be able to use my fingers, and I think a finger detangle is all that I need. Give it a little shake. Okay, so I've already just sprayed my hair with a really light mist of water. Really light. Oh my goodness, what's going on? Right. You can use a shower cap, which will be a lot easier. I'm just going to sit under the heated cap for about 10, 15, 20 minutes max, and then going to wash it off. I'm going to come back when my hair has got no product on it, but I just want you to see, what my hair looks like, okay? Okay, right, so I have rinsed out the oil, well, the best to my ability. It's about 40% dry, and I thought I'd come on here now and show you what my hair looks like, because although it's not completely dry, you can kind of see how my hair is going to dry. It looks hydrated, my curls look nicely defined, and I can go on until wash day. I have no product on my hair. I do not have any Mel's Butter Me Up. I do not have any leave-in conditioner. I don't even have a gel on my hair. I know my hair is gonna dry similar to this, and once it's dry, I'll be able to give it more body. Guys, if you haven't tried hot oil treatments, you've got to try it for yourself. They are so beneficial for your hair. Alright guys, so let me know in the comments if you do hot oil treatments and what are your oils that you use. Who's got a routine for hot oil treatments? Have you seen the benefits? Please keep the comment section going. We want to learn from each other. None of us are professionals, I tell you. Okay guys, I'm going now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in some ways I hope it's giving you some enlightenment about the importance of doing hot oil treatments. Right, I'm gonna go now because I'm hungry. I want to go in and spend some time with my family. Please look after yourself. Surround yourself with peace and those that really love and support you. I'll see you again in my next one. God bless you. Bye.